To make your news report, you're going to first need to go onto Showbie and collect some images and some videos. Your teacher may have taken some of your day, and also we have taken some and put them on there, so you should have lots to choose from. So on Showbie, the pictures that we've added on will be on our page that your teacher can copy across to your own class page. If you hold on to a picture and choose share, then you can save the image and it will put it into your camera roll. You're also going to need the news titles, so your teacher will copy this across for you, and you're going to need that for the beginning of our news report. So if you hold on to the video and choose share, and this time you want to choose save video. So choose save video. Once you've done that, we're going to go to iMovie. And iMovie is the purple app with the white star. Once we tap on this, you'll have all your projects that you've done before, but we're going to start a brand new project. And we're going to choose movie. Next, choose the images and the videos that you would like. So I'm going to choose my titles first, and then I choose your pictures that you would like in order. And then choose create movie at the bottom. It's going to put all of your pictures and videos in a timeline. If you want to make your pictures longer, just tap on them and you can drag the yellow borders out and it will make the picture last longer or shorter. It's up to you. We want to make this look more like a news report. At the beginning we've got our titles, but the rest of it is just plain. So what we're going to do is go to the settings cog up here. If you tap on this, they've got different themes. We're going to choose the news theme. It's all the way at the end of the themes. It's the blue one here. If you tap on this, you can choose whether you want the news music in the background or not. I'm going to add it in, but you can always turn it off later if you don't like it. So that's going to add it in now. So the clever thing about this is when we've got our transitions, instead of having a boring fading to a photo, if we tap on those transitions, we can choose a theme, which is the star here. So if I choose the star, you'll see that that transition is now more like a news type transition. So I'm going to tap on all of my transitions and I'm going to change them all to that star so they all look like they're a news theme. You might have a lot more than me because you will have done, this is just an example. The next thing you can do is you can add in some titles for your pictures. So if I tap on the picture, I'm going to choose titles at the bottom, which is the T. And if I choose titles and scroll all the way to the end again, we've got a special one that's appeared now because we're using a theme, and it's the news titles. So if I tap on this, I can change it to Countryside Day. So you can start creating your news report using your titles at the bottom like you'd see on the real news, and you've got your pictures as well. The last thing that we can add in is we can add in some voiceover. Now this is not going to work because I'm recording a video, but if you press on the microphone, you can record your voice saying what's happening for each picture and doing a little news report. You might even want to interview your friends to see what they liked, and you could add that video in as well. And then you can export it at the end. So when your video is finished, choose done at the very top. And go to the sharing box here, which is in the middle. You're going to save or share video. If you tap on this and choose save video, don't come off the app while you're doing this because otherwise it will stop saving. So you need to be patient and sit and wait. I'll show you one I've made earlier to give you an idea, but as Countryside Day hasn't actually happened, this is just an example. Breaking news. Yesterday, all the pupils in Primary 5 went to Countryside Day in Kelso. Here is our report all about it. We learned about what happens in the land around the Tweed by talking to Tweed Forum. learned about potatoes and how to grade them into different types. Pupils' favourite part was looking at all the animals in the animals tent, especially the baby lambs. So over to you, see what you come up with. We'd love to see some of your news reports and learn what you loved about the day and what you found really interesting. Good luck.